now we're gonna present you our company that have two basic products. Our company is called SmartEntrance, and it's composed by Julio Jimenez, Luis Carlos Rodriguez, Martin Santana, and myself, Jesus Hernandez. Next. Okay, I will explain to you our business concept. Basically, we have two main products that I'm gonna talk now. The first one is this one. It's a device that is connected with the electrical motor of your house, and with an app on your cell phone, you will convert the radio signal that is normally sent to the gateway to you will be able to open the gateway of your house without having any controls. It will have a lot of benefits, like you could share access with your friends. You will not need a lot of controls that are really expensive, and you will be able to keyless enter your home. Next. So our second product is a door unlocker that you will buy from us. It's a device that is also used with your smartphone, and with that you will be able to open the door of your house without having any keys. You will have a lot of more benefits than the other product, because you will be able to as well share access. When someone is trying to go into your house, you could open the door for them. You could send an invitation, and they will be able to open the door. It's no matter where you are in the world, you will be able to see if the door of your house is open or no. So it will bring like a security improvement to your house. As well, with the device and the technology that it has, you will receive an alert and a notification when someone knocks your door. As well, you will be able to see an historical of when the door of your house is open. So it doesn't matter if they even use a key, a traditional key. You will receive the notification when someone enters to your house. So here we develop a canvas that are all the process that we will take to develop our products and company. We will start with the explanation now. I will leave you with my colleague that will continue the explanation, Luis Carlos Rodriguez.
So customer segments. So as I was saying, house owners won't need to use the traditional key. It would be better for them to acquire our service and our product. For corporations, many corporations, let's say for example, an example of this is the concept. To enter the corporation, you need a little card in which you will have access to the corporation, and this is very expensive. So another asset is universities. For example, in UNIVE, you use a tarjetón, and that is also very expensive, and you will be able to save money by acquiring our product. So value propositions, key factor is the cost reduction. You will be able to save money in buying keys, and as I was saying, in buying tarjetones and cards for accessing a corporation or a business. You will be able to receive alerts and messages whenever someone enters your house at any time, and you will have a keyless technology. You won't have to, let's say if you want to go jogging or want to go to the gym, you don't need to take your key with you. And share access to home, making it more comfortable at the moment of entry. The channels we will be using, it's the app, we will be updating it, and the web page in which customers and consumers will be able to provide feedback and comments of our products.
Okay, for our customer relationship, we identified 4 tools. We will create blogs where customers will be able to talk between each other, and we will obtain feedback from their experience. We will also give them a newsfeed in the app based on their preferences. We're going to do a research before we give them the newsfeeds based on their preferences. We create an online chat, which is a personalized support for each customer. And we have a website which is self-service, where customers will be able to enter and look at the details for our products and buy our products themselves. we have designed 3 revenue streams from our product. Our main revenue stream will be the asset sale, the sale of the product itself. We would then have a advertising fee, which will be the second largest revenue stream. We'll make advertising very interesting for the customer so that they wouldn't be willing to remove it, but we'll give them the third option of removing the advertisement for a fixed annual fee. And our key resources for implementation of our project will be the capital needed to maintain the production of the products and the product developers, which is the key to the innovation of our product and the improvement of our quality.
Okay, so the main activities we'll be using to develop this product are mainly the online support, as we mentioned, the main app and the web page we'll be producing. Also, the production of the product itself, and also the product design that will be handled by our technicians and our developers. Our key partners will be using to get this product to the consumers. Mainly will be to outsource manufacturing. We're thinking about Asia because of its cost. It's low cost, and they tend to be an economy which is dedicated to producing. Also our resellers, which might be retail stores also, and where we're going to present our products as part of their marketing, and it will be a good strategy to get to the final consumer. Also the advertisers, which might be inside the retail stores, in which we are going to pay a monthly fee, for example, to have a representative of our product in the establishment, so the final consumer could get to the retail stores and try our product itself with a technician who will be explaining the product. Here we have some of our main alliances, which we think about Comet, which is the one who produces the gate engines. Also La Americana, which is a retail store, and Estados Unidos also, and our sourcing manufacturing will be using to produce the products outside. Our cost structure mainly is composed by the production cost of the product itself, the freight and shipping of the product to here and to the final consumer also, the retail space rent in which we're going to place our product to get to the final consumer, the salary and wages we're going to be paying to the developers and all the administrative employees, and also a small fee of the web hosting to keep our app in the App Store and also in the Android Store, and the hosting of the web page itself. Okay, so what we consider that are the final steps to get the final touches to this project are first to create a prototype of the product and to obtain some feedback about some users, so people can get interaction with that and tell us in which area we need to improve. We also are planning to make a waiting list where people could demand the product, and we could have some forecast and review of how people perceive the product. We also are planning to find outsourced manufacturer to meet the future demand. Since we believe it's going to be a huge project and people are going to be acquiring it, we believe we need to find a good outsourcing partner to meet this demand. Also, we are planning to prepare the web page to support all the purchase orders and to have less retail space and more online space. Thank you.